Greetings, River Lady here, and I'm doing my best to get this video. My large oak tree has to come down. It's raining, that's what I meant by doing my best. I'm really upset, and if I start crying, just bear with me. I hate having trees come down. I hate it. I don't know where my birds are going to sit. But anyway, you can see the tree to the right. That oak tree died a few years ago. And the birds still love it, but I have to have the top taken down because it keeps falling on my property and it's going to fall on me or Harley one of these days. But this other oak tree is hollow inside and it's infected, so it has to be taken down. And I'm a big baby, as my son would say. I'll be back when the guys are ready with their machinery and I will stop talking because I'm just a big blubbering baby. Okay. Thank you. Oh gosh, this is it. It's going to be the last of the branches. A couple of birds keep flying to the branches like, wait, wait. There's a few more insects we need to eat. Okay, I changed my mind. They had told me I could just take off the top of the tree, but keep the base trunk. Even though the tree's hollow, this is less dangerous. At least the birds will have someplace to nest, and I can keep my nest box there. And then they're going to take off the top of this dead tree. So let me go talk to them. So that's it. This is what my yard looks like now. That dead tree has been shortened, but the owl nest hole is still in there. They took it a little shorter than I wanted, but they did what was safe, so I'm good. And I left that other tree, and I might put another birdhouse up near the top if I can get somebody who's good at climbing trees. All right, so this is River Lady saying thank you for watching, and I apologize for my tears at the beginning, and happy gardening. Bye. I'm back, and it didn't take long for the downy woodpeckers to move on to the leftover part of the dead oak tree and start pecking away at the insects. Cool. Bye.